Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video. So, today's unboxing video is going to be a product called Woolzies. If you've ever heard of it. I actually found Woolzies out when I went to TJ Maxx one day and I was browsing through the beauty section and I saw a bunch of essential oils and I was like, oh, this is awesome because I needed some. Here's the box. Let's open it. So, we're going to cut this box. Okay. Cut it. Cut it. Cut it. Rip it. I love opening stuff. You know, I actually bought so much stuff throughout the years and I'm just like, I should have made a video of opening it. But I was so anxious. I just want to open it and see what is in there. But I'm sort of learning how to wait now until I make the video, which I have so many other boxes to open that I didn't do it yet. But here we go. It comes with this plastic, and here we go. I got this from Woolzies. It has my packing slip. We got this wool dryer balls. Ah, look at that! How beautiful that is. And then I got a pack of the floral essential oils and premium and a single eucalyptus, and that's it. It's just packing stuff. So these are wool dryer balls. This is like basically like dryer sheets. You put some of the oil onto the ball itself and throw it in the dryer, and it's supposed to reduce drying time, help reduce wrinkles, safe for people with wool sensitivities, and lasts for up to 1,000 loads, which is awesome. It says simply toss all three balls into your dryer with a small load of clothes and press start. Use them again and again. Okay. To clean your dryer balls, place each ball in a thin sock and add to a hot wash cycle with detergent. Remove the ball from the sock and dry on the highest heat setting. What? You gotta use all these three 3XL dryer balls with a small load of laundry? I thought it was one. Toss all three. Let's open them. Oh! Wow. Alright. So these are the balls. I don't know how to juggle, or otherwise I would have done some cool juggling moves, but I don't, unfortunately. So this is the ball. It's like the size of a baseball. Wool. Soft. Okay, so I didn't know you had to throw all three of these balls in the dryer. I thought it's like throw one ball into the dryer, when that uses up, use another one, and you have extra. I was going to give one to my mother, and I guess, I don't know. I guess I'll try it with one and with three. See how it is. Maybe it'll be for another video. So I got these dryer balls. So I got these essential oils, obviously, to go with the dryer balls for my fabric softener and my diffuser. I would like to do a video just on my diffuser, but this is me unboxing. So this box is a floral box. It has lavender, rose, and jasmine. Love, love rose. I got this because it had rose in it. I think this is a bigger bottle. These are the smaller bottles. This is a bigger bottle. This has rose in it too, so I got double rose. But the thing is that this had jasmine and lavender, and this has vanilla and sandalwood. Okay, so I got these. And then I got this single eucalyptus because my sons and I love eucalyptus. All together, we all love eucalyptus. See? Look at this. So beautiful. So it's glass. It's the same size as this jar. 1 ounce. And I guess these are half an ounce, which is good to test them. So there we go. Let me smell it. I actually never smelled the eucalyptus in this. Ugh. Oh my gosh. It smells good. Ooh. unboxing it. Alright, there we go. Boom, boom. That's all I got. So excited, super excited. I'm going to use these scents interchangingly with my essential oil diffuser. But I'm going to quickly do one now. So I'm going to take my water. I don't always use essential water, but I do use Poland Spring water. But for the purposes of this video, I'm going to use essential water because I love essential. And tonight is going to be a treat. So, oh my gosh. Okay. I just spilled water a little bit. Make sure you go a little bit lower when you're pouring and not high like I did. So you could pour it like not up to this, a red line over there. I'm not going to pour it all the way up because I don't want it running a lot. So I'm going to put the eucalyptus. Some people say eucalyptus. I don't know. Eucalyptus. Some people say it. I think that was 7. I usually put 7 to 10 drops. I was talking, so I was looking. So it's like 7 drops, I think. If you know how many drops I did, let me know. But I think I did 7. Anyways, so then put on. Wait, before I put on the cover, let me show you. I'm gonna press the mist button and go. Boom. See? Looks like a water fountain. Looks so beautiful. I like the sound. It's like little drips, but if you put the cover on, all the steam coming out. Look at that. Look at that steam, and there's a nice steam coming out from this top. Beautiful. You can hear little drip drops, which I like, but it's not like too annoying. I don't think that noise is annoying anyways. So yeah, that's what was in the box. Woolzies. This is my new essential oils that I will be getting from now on. And I guess in another video I will be trying these balls with some smell and see how that works. Alright, so that's the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you can give a thumbs up to this video, that will show me that you like this video and that I should be making more unboxing videos or just videos in general. I have tons of ideas. I'm gonna try to schedule days where I will be able to post, like maybe like Mondays or Wednesdays or Fridays. Like I could start once a week, and then I'll probably do more after that. But I wanted to get in the swing of making videos again because I haven't made videos in quite some time, and I just made some song videos and just some random videos. People like my song videos, so I kept them up. I was gonna make a new channel, but I was like, let me just continue this channel and just put different videos with playlists and stuff. But so this was one of my unboxing videos from Woolzies. So if you have ever used Woolzies or wool dryer balls, or if you have any other suggestions of essential oils or anything, please comment down below. I will read them, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.